In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Figma quickly and easily. This is a simple update that can help keep your profile accurate, whether you're rebranding, correcting a typo, or just want your account to display the right name. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Figma and make sure you're on the home screen or inside the file browser. This is the main area where you can access your account settings. Once you're there, look to the top left corner and click your profile icon or avatar. This will open a menu with several account-related options. From that menu, choose Settings. This is where Figma keeps your personal and account preferences. After the Settings page opens, look for the Account tab and click it. The Account tab contains your profile details, including your display name. Now find the Name section. You should see an option that says Change Name. Click that option, and Figma will let you edit the current name on your account. Type in your new name carefully, making sure it appears exactly the way you want it to display across your Figma profile. Once you've entered the new name, click Save to finish. Figma will update your account information right away, and your new name should now appear on your profile. That's all there is to it. Just a few quick clicks and your Figma name is updated. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy Figma tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.